Welcome back, everybody. So this video is about the second round, the second batch of the Enzymes Komplete natural cleaner. So we're doing the soil drench, and because we're watering the girls, and for sure for this second batch, the second round, I'm gonna do the last quarter of it, of the gallon, the actual foliar spray. Yeah, so let's do it. Let's aerate our water. We're gonna do the 10 mils per gallon. It's supposed to be 8 mils per gallon, but we're gonna add 2 more mils. Doesn't hurt. Everyone, so that's the Enzymes Komplete all natural cleaner. Alright, peace, love,